Doritos snacks ingredients: 4 tablespoons corn flour, 2 tablespoons white flour, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 egg, 1 pinch of salt plus 1 tablespoon paprika plus 1 teaspoon turmeric plus 1 tablespoon thyme plus 1 teaspoon onion powder plus 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Methods: knead all of this with a little water until you get a firm dough. Leave it for 15 minutes, then roll it out on a marble with a rolling pin. Sprinkle with flour so it doesn't stick. Fry in plenty of hot oil, then reduce the heat. It browns quickly and doesn't take long. Remove it from the oven and pat it dry with kitchen towels to absorb the oil. Sprinkle some onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. You can also add ketchup,